We're gonna go. Got a triplex in the Heights. Bottom unit is a large individual 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice big living area, newer floors. Electrical plumbing have been upgraded. There's the kitchen. Nice windows. Bathroom number 1, upgraded. First bedroom. Bathroom again. We got the second bedroom, which is a master, has its own bath, door to the outside. Now we're going to go to the other units. We'll cut through here. So 2 doors here, 2 identical units. We'll go upstairs first. Little master here. Its own bathroom, full bath. Second bath here. Bedroom number 1. Here's the kitchen. An area that could be the laundry. It's okay. Main area living, pretty big. Gonna go downstairs. Little space here, you can put a barbecue or such. And if you know anything about this area, parking is tough, so having all this parking is pretty amazing. There's a little yard back here. Garage, 2 big garages. Little workspace. It's even got its own little yard. Access to the upstairs unit from the back. And laundry. So, pretty amazing. Talk to me. 1,449,499 right now. They're motivated. They really want to get this thing moving. So, let's talk.